We are now in Shingu, known as the spiritual heart of Kumano. This charming town in Yakahama Prefecture is steeped in history and spiritual significance. Ready to dive in? Picture this. Shingu is one of the key stops on the ancient Kumano-Kodo pilgrimage routes. For over 1,000 years, pilgrims have journeyed through these sacred mountains to visit the three grand shrines of Kumano, collectively known as Kumano Sanzen. Shingu is home to one of these shrines, Kumano Ayatama Taisha. Here is a fun fact you can drop at dinner. Kumano Ayatama Taisha is not only a major pilgrimage site, but also home to a sacred 1,000-year-old Naji tree. This ancient tree is believed to bring good fortune and strong bonds in relationships, so be sure to take a moment to admire its majestic presence. As you explore Shingu, you'll also want to visit Kamikura Shrine, perched high on a rocky outcrop. The shrine's steep turn staircase with over 500 steps might be a bit of a climb, but the breathtaking view on the Pacific Ocean and the surrounding landscape is worth every step. Legend has it that this is where the gods first descended to Earth. Here is a little tip. If you're in Shingu in February, don't miss the annual Otomatsuri, a spectacular fire festival held at Kamikura Shrine. Thousands of men dressed in white robes carry torches down the mountain in a dramatic display of light and devotion. While you're in town, take a leisurely stroll along the Kumanogawa River. The peaceful riverbanks are perfect for a relaxing walk or a picnic. And if you're looking to unwind, head to Yunomine Onsen, one of Japan's oldest hot springs. Just a short drive from Shingu, this tranquil onsen village offers a perfect retreat for soaking in mineral-rich waters and rejuvenating your spirits. Before you leave, make sure to snap a photo with the beautiful torii gates of Kumano Ayatama Taisha and tag us at Phuket Explorer. Au revoir and keep exploring!